But today I'm going to show you a few things that I do to add flavor to chicken, whether I'm cooking out on the grill or inside. So let's get started, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get all my ingredients and lay them right out right here. All right, before I get started on this, what you're seeing in the background here is a clean out project of my cupboards. So let's get started. I've got my chicken already thawed out. I'm going to take the first piece. And all I'm going to do, even though it's already thin, I am going to slice this in half very carefully. This will make it easier and quicker to cook as well. All right, so both these pieces will go right in here. I have my Zesty Italian. This will be my marinating one. I usually will let this marinate for at least a full day. However, I do want to cook this today, so it won't have as long a chance to marinate, but it should still taste just as good. I have, as you can see, I have salad dressing, I have ranch, I have breadcrumbs, and I have a flax chia blend. Now on the first piece is going to be my salad dressing. I will need a spoon for that. And this is something I have done before, and I enjoy this flavoring. I just put this on so that when I'm sprinkling the breadcrumbs on this, they will have something to stick to. I mean, some are going to fall or will fall off, of course. Now the second one, I'll be using ranch dressing. I'm going to pour a little bit of that on. Spread that out. And for this piece, actually, let me try something different on this plate here. And this is just kind of a fun experiment for me. I'm going to do two things. I'm going to put a little bit on here. I know some's going to fall off, so I'm going to put some onto the plate here as well. I have my two pieces of chicken ready to go, the flaxseed and the flavored breadcrumbs for the grill. I also have this, which will marinate throughout the day with Italian dressing. Pretty easy to do with just ingredients that I already had. I didn't need to buy any special spices. This is stuff I use regularly. I will say when I'm cooking chicken out on a grill, even without all this flavoring, I find personally when I cook out on a grill that it still has a lot more flavor than inside. All right, so here's the final test of all the chicken I did. I'm going to turn this up. It definitely smells very delicious. That's really good. As soon as I'm done, it makes it really easy to clean this. So please feel free to like, comment, subscribe, share. Also check out my brother's channel, Shane's Main Shop. I will post a link for that as well.